Disclaimer: this video is purely for understanding purposes. It is not really educational. It's purely to describe science or maths in a way that I would think that I personally consider the newer generation would understand easier. Do not use this as justification in any test or homework or any educational context.
Hello and welcome to Chaotic Learning. This is my technically first video. Like whatever I'm supposed to be doing this whole thing for, it's like already halfway gone, but I am just starting now, which at least it's better than never starting. Anyways, today we're gonna talk about the atomic structure. So let's take this Q girl as the nucleus. The nucleus is consistent of two different things. One which is one protons pro yeah, I am too lazy to just p protons and neutrons. New uh, neutron. Yeah, I can't write on this thing emoji, so just P and N. The P is like how understand it as this. The protons are like what is attractive. So her appearance. P is appearance, and neutrons is what's like what changes how she behaves. So personality, I guess. Persona, yeah, I'm just gonna write persona. Okay, and let's take electrons as internet sense. A cute girl like this will have internet sims that are like circling around her. Sorry, uh, guy. Uh, yeah, that's a horrible drawing, I know, but you get the idea behind it. She's got like uh, how do I? It's the first video. Please don't ask too much from me. Anyways, electrons are circling around her, and she is the nucleus. That's the basic premise. Electrons are like stuff that are circling around, completely attracted to the centerpiece, and the nucleus isn't affected by the by the electrons. They're just like sitting there. Nice. Next, let me look at the no the Okay, the next topics on the list is isotopes. So isotopes, it's basically the same girl but with a different personality. The different personalities make them like different, but that doesn't affect the internet. That does not affect the uh, internet sims at all because they just want to be around her because of her appearance. So that doesn't affect anything. Next is electron shells. Okay, electron control the electron shells. So she can only have like just so much sims around her. So if more sims want to join, they need to like join in from. They will be farther away because she's only got enough attention to like actually talk to two of these sims. So everyone else will be like a bit further away from her, and that continues on like with every so many electrons. Like yeah, like that. That's the like that's supposed to be the second shell, but I don't think I can draw it properly. So that you'll have to do with that. Uh, so electron shell, first shell, second shell. Yeah, first shell, second shell. Done. Okay, and this is like how it's actually supposed to be drawn, and this is the notes that I've been given to like know what actually to talk about. So, it's basically the same. Let me just and then reactivity change. So I am too lazy to draw like the full amount of like whatever amount of shells are there. So I'm just gonna draw a very, very rough circle around here, like to represent full shell. So there are already three layers of them circling around this one girl, and the ones out here, they like barely have a chance. So they are very easy to just wander. Wait, let me just. They are very easy to just wander off because like they know that they don't have any more chances. They are already three shells like away from her, so they might as well go follow someone else. So let's just put that one here, put that one there. Okay, next. Okay, and because the appearance of this atom, this nucleus, does not like match with the amount of sims that she gets, that would be considered an ion, which is here. Bada 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 bing bada bam. Like it's a bunch of like useless shit. Well, it's useful, but it's not. My point is trying to explain everything to you, not make you understand everything. You still need to learn the terminology and shit by yourself. And I think that covers basically everything except for for like the correct terminologies in like the atomic model, at least what's needed for middle school in the IB curriculum. Like this is the full atoms and periodic table unit without the periodic table.